everyone, James Bun here, back with another video, and today we will be playing Fruit Ninja. So like all my other videos, let's just get straight into the action. Scared me. I'm trying to pay attention. Am I supposed to combo these? I hope not. No! I almost missed. This is hard. No! I missed 2 of them! That almost killed me. Okay, I'll slice you. Awesome. Look at that score. No. You're hiding behind one of your friends this time. Oh no! I didn't even hit the bomb like I thought I would. Oh, I'm so bad. Oh, what all did I get? I got 9 fruits. Slice 500. Only if I play 3 arcade games and use 2 PG time power up. Wow, this is terrible. I'm so bad. Swap. The first part's easy. I almost sliced that again. I hate the bombs. The bombs aren't even what kill me. It's the combo moves that they pop up for me that end up killing me. It's so bad to realize that I'm terrible and they're trying to help me by giving me 3 combos. No, they're really hiding other fruit by putting up a bunch of fruit so that I miss fruit. I missed. Dang it. Stop doing that. I hate the bombs. At least the bombs make sound. If I didn't have my sound up, I'd be doing terrible. You know what? After this, I'm playing without my sound. I can't believe I'm doing this. Stop it. This is terrible. No! Stupid bombs. They're trying to give me combos I don't want it. Seriously. Yeah, I made higher than last time. Ah! I can't believe I missed that. Alright. Can't believe we're about to do this. Oh, I leveled up. Nice. This is a terrible idea. Swish. I'll make the slicing sounds. That one came a lot earlier than last time. Swish. Or did it? Swish. Yeah, swish. 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 I have to pay more attention. I don't like it. Nope. I didn't even get the free combo. I got that one. That was close. Don't do that. I almost died. Swish, 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 Okay, I'll shut up now. Stupid Bams. Bams can't stop me now. Only me missing fruit can stop me now. I'm so bad. 23. Let's beat 23. Oh, no, we got 23. I wonder if there's like a cap on that thing. I knew that would happen one of these times, too. I don't have my sound on. I can't tell if a bomb's come up or not. Because I would use my ears to know if a bomb is coming. And then I start looking around. Oh, this is terrible. I'm going to go play one of the other game modes in a sec. Let's do this Ghostbusters mode. Okay. Use your golden apples to challenge different Ghostbusters and villains. Collect Ghostbuster tokens by capturing Ghostbusters. Use your Ghostbuster tokens in store to buy unique Ghostbusters items and in-game resources. This event will finish at the end of August. Collect tokens to get fantastic rewards. Okay, Mr. Slimer, let's battle. Drag ghosts into trap. Ghosts appear by slicing fruit. Hold to capture and drag to capture more. Oh, the bombs look different now. How am I supposed to tell there's a bomb? Where are the ghosts? Where are the ghosts? But where are the ghosts? I'm not... Oh, no! Ready? Oh, I have a time limit. Oh, that's not good. Again, while it was in freeze mode? I'm gonna lose the first battle. That's how bad I am. I'm about to lose the first battle. Because I hit 2 bombs. I'm so bad. Let's try again. I know how to play. Now let's not hit the bombs. Seriously? Already? This is how bad I am. How did I get that combo? I have no idea, but after this I'm turning on my sound. This is stupid. I can't tell the difference. Oh, here. You come here, and where do I put you? Ah, in the trap. Aha, I captured a ghost. I did it. I captured a ghost, guys. I didn't even realize he was... Oh my gosh. I didn't even realize he was there. I'm not slicing the fruit, I'm zapping it to death. Oh wow, I'm bad at this. I did it! Stupid ghosts. Do I gotta fight the next one? Okay, let's fight the next one. Here we go. I know how to play. I got it. I need 2 ghosts this time? How do they expect me to do that? Do I gain more points or something? I better. I forgot to turn up my sound. No way am I doing this without my sound. Oh my gosh, I paused it because so I missed it. Come on! Oh, the ghost is gone because I used a bomb when it spawned. Okay, I'm gonna go on a limb and say I lost this one. it. I'm so bad. I captured one. What does it cost? Oh, it costs 20 of those gold ones. Oh, but that guy's free. Well, I gotta beat Gertrude. You gotta beat her. Okay, no, I can't restart. I don't have the money. You're kidding me. Both the ghosts I just spawned just blew up. Oh, you know what? I want to hit it at this rate. It's not like it matters. I didn't even catch one. I'm so bad. I'm gonna go Ghostbuster shot. Oh, what the heck? Never mind. I'm turning to you or something like, holy crap. I'm gonna play one of these other games I love. Once challenge. 10 gold apples, daily challenge. Prize! I have a prize! Let's go. Okay. I want to slice the blue apples. So the apples with nothing on them are bad. Oh, she's winning! I didn't realize she was slicing too. No wonder they were just disappearing. You suck, lady. Go away. I'm done playing with you. Oh, no, I don't want to get free of this crap. Okay, I'm leaving. How do I leave? That's how I leave. Alright, we're going to play one more. Let's play arcade. Okay. Here, let's see what can buy a win. Hey, it's for arcade. Not sure what that means, but let's do it. Ooh, Cloud Blade. Oh, bounce back once, meaning they'll hit the ground and then bounce up. That's awesome! Hope it doesn't do it just once. Yeah, that's what's happening. They bounce back up. Oh, dang it. I really wanted to get that. Thank goodness I have this blade. Yeah, how much score am I supposed to be getting? I hope not a lot, because I'm bad at this. Let's make it to 200. Yeah, we made it to 200. Woo! Juicy slicing, fruit mix, fruity combo. Yeah, 218, my new best score, and I had to do it on the not normal mode. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next video. Bye-bye.